Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The ultimate gaming beast is here. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the OnePlus Ace 5 Racing Edition, which has just launched in China, and trust me, this one is built for gamers. But here's the twist. This phone is expected to launch globally as the OnePlus Nord 5 very soon. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. Let's start with the box. This is the OnePlus Ace 5 Racing Edition, which is expected to launch globally as the OnePlus Nord 5. Inside the box, you'll find a powerful 100-watt SuperVOOC charger, USB Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a protective case to keep your device safe from day one. OnePlus has covered all the essentials, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Let's talk about why this phone is a true gaming monster. Under the hood, we've got the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9400E flagship chipset built on TSMC's 3rd Gen 4nm process. It features a unique 4+4 core setup with 4 super cores and 4 large cores for maximum gaming performance. On top of that, there's the new Function game engine, offering 2% better performance and 10% lower power usage. Yes, more power with less heat. Plus, the phone is PUBG Pro League certified, which means it's designed for serious competitive play. For ultra-responsive gameplay, there's a Maiky touch chip with an insane 3000 Hz instant touch sampling rate and 300 Hz 5-finger tracking, so your every move is lightning fast. Also included, a gaming Wi-Fi chip 2, which massively improves wireless stability and reduces network lag. Now let's talk design, and this phone does not disappoint. The Ace 5 Racing Edition has a sleek, flat back, a compact metal camera ring, and a flat frame for better grip. The camera module is smaller, so it won't interfere with your hands during gaming. The body features a flagship-grade silk matte finish that feels smooth, premium, and non-sticky. Despite its massive battery, the phone weighs only 200 grams and is just 8.2mm thin. It also has a perfect 50-50 weight balance, so even long gaming sessions won't tire your hands. Available in 3 stunning colors: golden white with golden light reflections, rock black, wilderness green. And yes, it's IP64 rated, so it's resistant to dust and water splashes. The front features a 6.77-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and hardware-level eye protection for stress-free binge gaming and content watching. Powering all this is a massive 7100 mAh battery, supported by 80-watt fast charging and bypass charging support, so your phone stays cool even while charging and gaming at the same time. And to keep everything cool, there's a new glacier cooling system covering over 7,000 millimeters of surface area, a real game changer for thermal performance. On the camera side, you get a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor with a large 1.95 sensor size for solid photography. There's also a 2-megapixel depth camera for portrait shots. Software-wise, the phone runs on ColorOS 15 in China. But don't worry, the global version OnePlus Nord 5 will launch with Oxygen OS, offering a clean and smooth experience with 4 years of security updates and 3 major Android version upgrades. In China, the OnePlus Nord 5 starts at just $107.99, which roughly converts to around £185 in the UK or $250 in the US, making it an incredibly competitive offering in the mid-range segment. So, what do you think about the OnePlus Ace 5 Racing Edition, aka the OnePlus Nord 5 in global markets? With flagship specs, gaming-focused hardware, and stunning design, this one's shaping up to be a serious mid-range killer. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the full performance test video coming soon. Catch you in the next one. Until then, game on.